Hello, welcome to TechShamit. In this session, we will learn about RTVJOBA command and also we will discuss the remaining three functionality or variable that we can retrieve from this command. Okay, so I'm taking this program in edit mode. So in our previous session, we have discussed few variable like how we can retrieve the information for those variable and what are the requirement for the variable declaration. And for today's session, we will discuss the another three variable, which is log type, LOGCLPGM, and log output. So initially on from line number 10, I have declared three variable, which is log type, log CLPGM, and log output. Okay, and the type and length of the variable is same for all, which is character and length 10. Okay, but how we will get to know that how much length is required, how much what type of character we need to declare here. So for that we need to directly use this command RTVJOBA. So just simply go and write RTVJOBA, then take F4. So once you take F4, you will reach to this screen where you can pass the variable name which you want to retrieve. So in our previous session we have covered all these above variables, and for today we will discuss about these three. Okay, so let's see how we can identify the length and the type and the purpose of this variable. So you from here you can sorry from here you can directly see that the length is required is 10 and it is a character, and all three variable is of character type of length 10. Now we will check the purpose of using this. So I'm taking F1 on the first command or first variable. So here you can see that it is written specifies the name of CL variable that receives the special value that indicates the level of text that appears for any message that is written to the job log. So basically it returns the level of the text that appear on a that appears for any message that is written into to the job log. The variable must be a character variable with minimum length of 10 characters. This should be a 10 character variable. Okay, let's see the second one. So for second, I'm just go and place my cursor here and then press F1. So it will take me to this screen. Here you can see specifies the name of CL variable that receives the special value that indicates whether process command in CL program are being logged in the job log or not. Okay, so it basically return two values, either yes or no. So if it process the command in program um, is being logged into the job log, then it will return star yes, otherwise it will return no. Fine. So the variable must be a character variable with minimum length of 10 characters, so it should be of character type of minimum length of 10. Okay, okay, now we will see the third variable is log output. So just check how it what all information we retrieve here. So here it is mentioned specifies the name of the CL variable that receives the special value that indicates how the job log is to be produced. Basically it will tell how the job log will produce when the jobs completes. Okay, the variable must be of character variable with a minimum length of 10 characters. The special value star job end, star job log svr or star pnd is written. So these are the three value that we can expect from the output of this command or variable. Fine, so we have declared, we have got the information like which type of variable is needed, what should be the length, what should be the type. Okay, name you can keep anything, like here you can change the name as well, but for simplicity I keep the same name so that it will be easy to read and understand what exactly we are retrieving from this command. Okay, so variable declaration is done, plus command declaration is done. Like we just need to write RTVJOBA, then fill the values variables and then hit enter, so it will come automatically. Okay, all right, so once this line number 16 got executed, we will receive the values in these three variable. Now it's time to print the values. So for printing the value we will use sndpgm-msg command, where we are passing the variable name. So just simply write sndpgm-msg, then take F4, and in here you can pass the variable name. So I'm passing it as a star ampersand log type. Okay, so it means it will directly print this value, as these all variable are of type character, so we are not there is no need to pass it or convert it to some other type because it takes the character and all are already in the characters. So just hit enter, it will print the value. sndpgm will print the value of log type. Now we will see the second value. So here we are printing the value for the LOGCLPGM. Same process, just need to write sndpgm then take F4, and here you can pass the variable name as ampersand LOGCLPGM. Third value we are printing is sndpgm with the help of sndpgm is log output. So same process, just write the command and then pass the variable which you want to print. Alright, so we have printed all the values. This is just for the demo purpose, otherwise you can use this value in your logic or whatever you want to do with that, you can do. But for the demo purpose, I'm just printing this value on the screen so that it will be easy to understand what exactly it is returning. So I'm compiling it and it is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So this is the first output we got, which is star SEC level. If I do page down, this is the second output, star yes, and this is the job log SVR is the third output. Okay, so log type we got as a SEC level, and log CLPGM, it means the command is being processed, right? Once it goes to the job log, so it is returning star yes, and this is the third parameter. For third parameter we are getting the value as job log SVR. So this is how we can utilize retrieve job attribute command to fetch these three information, which is log type, log CLPGM, and log output. So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the upcoming session we will discuss the further things. So thank you for watching TechShare Math.